Welcome to Soulful Kitchen, where every meal fits your body and your soul. Today we are making a bright, nourishing, flavor-packed dinner: baked salmon with mango avocado salsa and crispy sweet potato fries. This dish is gluten-free, high protein, and perfect for a clean, satisfying weeknight dinner. Let's dive right in. Start by prepping your sweet potato fries. Take one medium sweet potato, wash and peel it, then cut it into even sticks. Soak the fries in water for 15 minutes. This removes excess starch and helps them crisp up beautifully. Drain and pat them dry completely. Now season with 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of salt. Toss to coat evenly, then drizzle in a little cornstarchy slurry. That's just a mix of 1 teaspoon of cornstarch with a splash of water for extra crisp and texture. Lay them out in a single layer on a lined baking tray. Bake at 400 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes, flipping halfway through until golden and crispy fries. Next, let's marinate the salmon. Take a salmon fillet, cut them into 2 portions, and drizzle with them in 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, or you can even take the 2 minced cloves or the garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of Chipotle chili powder or the smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Rub the marinade on both sides, then let it stir for 10 to 15 minutes. Preheat your oven to 400 Fahrenheit. Place the salmon on a parchment-lined baking sheet and bake for 12 to 14 minutes or until the fish flakes easily with a fork. You can also air fry or pan sear, totally your choice. While the salmon is baking, let's whip up the fresh mango salsa. In a bowl, combine half ripe mangoes diced, half avocado diced or 1 avocado diced, 2 tablespoons of red onion finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of chopped cilantro, and 1 teaspoon of lime juice, and also chili flakes, a pinch of salt to taste. Mix gently and refrigerate it until ready to serve. This salsa brings a burst of sweetness and creamy texture, the perfect contrast to our spicy salmon. Time to assemble your plate. Start with a scoop of mango avocado salsa. Place over your baked salmon besides it and pile on the golden sweet potato fries. Drizzle a little olive oil if you want, or you can serve it with lime veggies for extra flavor. This plate is colorful, balanced, and totally soul-fuel approved. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Soulful Kitchen for more healthy, vibrant meals every single week. Comment below with your favorite way to cook salmon, or let me know what recipe you want to see next. Don't forget to tag at Soulful Kitchen on Instagram if you try this at home. I would love to feature your creations. Thank you for cooking with me. Stay nourished, stay grounded, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.